Welcome back. Just passed the local maximum security prison here, and I thought, well, what a great place to start. So today we are going to try and find, or see if we can find, one of my lost AirTags. I think when one of the many times that I have flipped over, the AirTag that I have in the box that I carry on the back of the dirt bike fell out. And now I'm picking up a signal. It's sending off a signal about 30 miles away, so I'm going to see if we can try to find that today. You know you're following a road when it's trashed the whole way. Come here. Pretty good view of the abandoned factory from up here, at least. Very soft there. So if we look here, it says that it was last tracked right over here. It's at this intersection here. Yeah, you can see my little key AirTag there. And yeah, the one that I used to have for the box, for my suitcase, it says is let's see, yeah, 2.9 miles in. Yeah, so we're gonna go and see if we can find it there. I mean, it might be a little bit like finding a needle in a haystack, but supposedly it's right in this little village called Xiaoshui here. Try not to get a pop tire here, but this looks like a massive abandoned factory here. I guess they're cleaning out the scrap here with this forklift. I don't think I would be welcome here though, so we'll see. 它是往这边倒还是往里面倒？哦，可以。哎，师傅，我问一下，这个原来这个工厂是生产什么的？
不清楚哦。
啊，这个应该好久了吧？这个工厂呢？
几十年了。
哎，我问一下，到那个小水还有多久呢？
小水，外面那个公路。
啊。
一直去。就
往那边走是吧？
是去的，不是有一条村呢。
啊。
就省路一直去，那个公路一直去了，他们到村尾了，就走水边。走水边一条路，整条路直去。
好。
你别往右手边啊。
好，谢谢啊。Well, he was friendly enough. So when in doubt, that's usually my strategy. I just pretend to be lost and I ask them, oh, how do you get to this place? That way they don't think I'm just, I don't know, sniffing around in their business. So we're coming into the village now where my AirTag is supposedly located, but I forgot to mention that it's very weird because I've never actually been to this village before, so I'm still trying to understand how my AirTag could be here. So either it's giving me a false reading and it's not here at all, or it fell out of my box and somebody nicked it and they live in this village. Now it says searching for signal, try to move to a new location. 哎，请问你们有见过这种小的跟踪器吗？
我没见过，
是吗？
你见过？
什么？
因为它显示就在你们这个，你们这是小水吧？
是啊。
就从我车上掉下来的。
那个冰块，那个冰块。你的车在哪里？
在那边。然后它就显示在你们这个，在你们站这儿，但是我就找不着了。
你开什么车？
我开摩托车。
是什么东西来的掉的？
就是这个小跟踪器。
就这个样子。
对，
这个很难找哦，这么小。
那就很难找哦。
是啊。
车子又多个。
那我看一下，谢谢啊。Yeah, looks like that AirTag is pretty much done for. Weird because obviously somebody's phone came close enough to it a couple days ago that it would show up, but I mean, like, that's very difficult to find. So just goes to show these AirTags are great if you've got people with iPhones around, but if you've got no one with an iPhone around, they're pretty much useless. Maybe it's down here in the creek. No. Who knows, maybe my AirTag is in there. Anyways, I think abort mission here, because again, I'm not going to go around and dig up every corner of the village to find a $30 AirTag, but be interesting to see though if it sends another signal my way, because that's the problem. If the signal was precise enough, okay, then we could find it, but it's just like, oh, well, it's in this village. Okay, well, that's great. Well, now the plan is, since we're aborting the AirTag rescue mission, to go to the shop and have some maintenance done on the bike. I have some tire clips to be put in, and hopefully a switch so that my rear brake light will work, and also hopefully new rear brake pads. Now that over there is a cooling tower if I've ever seen one. Massive tower. Very smart, backing up on a corner. I have no idea what that factory is, but all I know is whatever's coming out of that chimney is, it smells like the worst fart you've ever smelled. Must be some sort of a waste treatment plant or something like that. Absolutely smells horrible. Hello.
跑哪里去了？
我跑那个叫什么？这人化。
人化。
对。看看行不行？
可以。
完了，那个后刹的那个刹车片有没有到货呢？
到了。
到了，白色吗？
白色的也到了。
哦，太好了，那就换个白色的吧。
买了一副黑的爷爷。
哦，来一副白色的吧。
可以。
完了，还有上次不是说这个开关不行吗？
有。
太好了。
你好。啊？我走了。走了。好。好嘞。过来啊！过来。
这是什么车？这是 KTM 吗？
不是，这个横件。
横件的啊。
2冲程的。
哦，这个车好像也不贵吧，1万多块钱吧，新的是吧？1万多。哎，这条线是那个 ABS 用的。
是。
嗯。
传感器。
嗯。哎，这怎么生锈了呢？是不是进水了？
多少会有一点的。
哎呀，
会不会有点逆刮呢？手烫的。是。